Is going on, Laser Focus Solutions Media? This is Christopher Godwin coming at you on a Tuesday, August 27th, but we are doing a makeup day for a couple of days that I missed out. So I wanted to share with you what the importance is on follow-up. Follow up with your clients, right? So I got a customer that went online, took their time and booked a estimate for me to come out 2 Fridays ago. And when it popped on me, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to be in the middle of doing something else. I'll try and make it, can't guarantee it. So sure enough, wasn't able to make that call. So emailed the customer, text the customer through my House Call Pro app and said, hey, not going to be able to pull away from where I currently am. Are you flexible with your time? Can we reschedule for today or should we push back to another day? She said, you can come today at 4. So I said, it sounds great. Or she asked me what time. And I said, I probably could be there around 4. So she confirmed we were good. So I left the location that I was at, which was outside digging, hot, tired. And I drove all the way up to the Pike Creek, Hockessin area from Middletown, Delaware. And I got to the customer's house and knocked on the door. No one was there. And I'm like, you got to be kidding me. I drove all the way up here on Friday. Now I got to drive all the way back in beach traffic. And there's nobody here, right? So a little discouraging, but I was more upset with myself because of where we are being so busy. It's challenging for me to perform the work, but then also get off the job and go do more estimates. And we are being found on Google a lot. We are being referred a lot, and we are very well liked and respected in this community on what services we bring and how we bring them. So it's a good place to be. We just got to navigate ourselves through it, right? So I say all that to say that Sunday, I sat down and I sent a bunch of messages out to clients. This one in particular, I just wanted to follow up because I wanted to know, should I cancel this estimate or, did she find somebody else or is it still an opportunity? So I did just that. I reached out. Sorry for us missing each other. Does it make sense for me to cancel this order? Or is there still a need on your end and we can kind of pick this back up and run, So sure enough, I got a message last night that says, hey, I'm so sorry. Yes, I'm terribly busy. Just bought my first home. Got a lot going on in my life. Wasn't able to stay there when I told you I could. It was my bad. Didn't mean to stand you up. But yeah, if you can do it tomorrow at 9 a.m. or whatever, let's go with it. Let's roll. So love that conversation. Love that took place. So today I was able to go out and capitalize on 5 mini blinds, a curtain rod, and a sliding glass door sheer, blackout type curtain. So, and I met a phenomenal client, right? And so and what was cool about the experience too was that she shared the why, right? Why did she choose Laser Focus Solutions? And she said, when I Googled you from all over, you're hitting #1 from many areas, which was pretty cool. Then she said, and your reviews are current, they're authentic, they're real. Your responses are just as authentic and real. And there's a lot of women that are in them as well, right? So that meant a lot to her because she's a woman as well, with a young child. So it checked a lot of the boxes. So my point of all of this is that had I just said, okay, I'm not doing business with this person because she stood me up or whatever, then I would have lost out on a great client, right? I enjoyed my day today. It was fun, right? So, it's just the importance of follow-up. You just never know where it's going to take you. And I needed it really because on another video I shared that I had a job that was scheduled out all week long and it got canceled, right? So canceled because I went out there and our scope of work was to install drywall. I'm sorry, replace drywall that was water damaged, and it went outside the scope, and we were a little bit, it was a lot of rot, pretty much, which I'll do another video on that if I haven't already, and I'll explain that one. So, but this one's based on the follow-ups and the importance of it and how you can capture revenue. And because we were able to have that very conversation on Sunday, it brought in some revenue today for us and had us in a new home, in a new community, and we were able to put a smile on a new customer's face. So with that, I'm going to end the video. Just wanted to say thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like, subscribe button, and tell your friends. Peace out.